I removed the clip over here on this shifter linkage, and the bushing is rotted away, it's gone. So we're going to change that with a new bushing we have here. We have to press that in over here. We're going to shave down the lip a little bit. Maybe it'll help us get it in there easier. Only on one side. Worst comes to worst, use a 3/8 hose. You can use a gas line or that. And it fits in there. And it'll wear the same way as the other one does. I gotta turn it to do it here. A little more, right?
Yes.
I shaved this one side down, so it should be able to be pushed in by hand. Then we'll put it together and be done. Okay, we shaved the bushing down a little bit. We'll see. Putting it in. And it fits. And that fits. Now we'll have to put that clip in there. That'll be another fun thing to do. Okay, that's in. That's in. They're bare to get in, but
Get your hand out of the way so I can see.
that's in, right?
Yeah. Can we zoom in? Yes.
Should I turn it?
Yes. Okay.
Turn it more?
Yes. Okay.
You like this?
Okay, yes. Move your hand.
There you go. It's finally clipped in.